Hello there. So what I want to talk to you about today is a nice big pair of jugs. What I'm talking about are these two just here. So let's have a look at the design of them first. So they're a really nice pretty shape. You've got these lovely serpents or snakes twisting and turning around the design. This rope, blue rope pattern twisting and turning around as well. A little bit of gold as well. Really, really pretty design. But what I want to talk to you about is the underneath. So what we can see underneath on this one is there's the maker's mark and this Victorian kite mark. Now these kite marks don't come out very well on ceramics. When they get fired, they tend to sort of just lose the definition. So we'll pop this one back for a second and we'll pull the other one up because the definition's better on that one. So you can see there's some details on that. So there you go. These are the say Victorian kite marks, and they give you the date and the day, in fact, that the design of this item was registered, which gives you an enormous amount of information. So we'll skip to this little book. So these are really, really useful. If you're into antiques, if you're collecting or you've got any interest at all, some of these pocket guides can be so invaluable. They give you so much information. So if we skip straight to this page, which is design registration marks, this will show you the Victorian kite mark. Now these were used up until 1884. And they give you, as I say, the day in which it was registered. So they give you 5 bits of information. The first one is the class of the goods. It's like, is it wood, is it metal, is it carpet, whatever it might be. Then the second one there is the year that the design was registered. Then the month. D is the 4th bit, is the day that it was registered, and E is the bundle, and that's like how many items were in that group that they registered there. So, but that gives you all the information that you could possibly need. And you can decode that using this little table here, and it's all in the book for you there. You can find it online. So the decoding of that registration mark underneath means that the design of this particular jug was registered on the 9th of March 1878. So you're right in the middle of the Victorian period there, but it gives you a really accurate date for the design. Now that doesn't mean that this was made on that day, it just means that the design was registered on that day and this would have been made sometime soon after. But it gives you an enormous information and it's a great big clue for when you're dating stuff. Really, really useful.